Working hard is keeping you broke. The truth about wealth, nobody teaches you. What if the advice you've followed your entire life is the very thing keeping you from financial freedom? You've been told to work hard, save money, get a stable job, and everything will eventually fall into place. Yet millions of hardworking people are still struggling financially. They work longer hours, earn more income, and stay busy every day, but true wealth always seems out of reach. The truth is simple. Most people were taught how to earn money. Very few were taught how to build wealth. And those are not the same thing. Let's start with the biggest misconception of all. Hard work. From an early age, we are taught that hard work leads to success. And while hard work is important, it's not a wealth strategy. If it were, the hardest working people in the world would be wealthiest. But that's not what we see. Many people work harder every year, yet remain trapped in the same financial cycle. Why? Because hard work creates income. Wealth is created by what you do with that income. If your income stops when you stop working, you don't own a wealth building system. You own a job, and no matter how good that job is, your time will always have a limit. The second misconception is saving money. Now, don't get me wrong, saving money is important. Everyone should have financial discipline and an emergency fund. But saving alone will never make you wealthy. Saving protects money, does not multiply it. Meanwhile, inflation quietly reduces purchasing power year after year. The cost of living rises, prices increase, and the money sitting idle loses value over time. This is why many people save diligently for years and still feel financially stuck. The goal is not simply to save money, the goal is to make it. And that requires. Which brings us to the most important difference between those who struggle financially and those who will master mindset. Most people focus on focus on the average person asks, how can I make more? Assets can be businesses, investments, digital products, content channels, intellectual property, or systems that generate income without requiring constant assets. This is where financial freedom begins, not when you earn more, but when your assets begin working harder than you do. So what is the real formula for wealth? It's not hard work plus saving money. It's a system. Income creates opportunity. Assets create growth. Systems create scalability. Freedom becomes the result. Income leads to assets. Assets lead to systems. Systems lead to freedom. That's the path most people never do. That's why so many spend decades working without ever building true wealth. The good news is that you can start changing that. You don't need to be rich to begin. You simply need to think differently. Start focusing less on what you earn and more on what you own. Start building assets instead of accumulating expenses. Start creating systems instead of relying solely on effort. Because wealth is not something you chase, it's something you build. Before you go, I have a free resource that can help you take the next step. Download my guide, The Harsh Truth About Wealth, using the link in the description below. Inside, you'll discover the wealth-building principles, mindset shifts, and practical strategies that most people never learn. And if you're serious about building long-term financial freedom, subscribe to WealthWise Media. Here we focus on wealth, wisdom, productivity, and the systems that help ordinary people make extraordinary results. Remember this: income pays today's bills, assets build tomorrow's freedom. This is WealthWise Media, where wealth meets wisdom. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.